Hello everyone, my name is Prabhat Yadav. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech fourth year from Dr. Sakuntala Misra, Rehabilitation University, Lucknow. I have skill of Python, SQL, Power BI, Excel with Python library, Matplotlib, Pandas, Seaborn, NumPy, Matplotlib, and I have done the project of ETL, and creating pipeline from Jupyter Notebook to SQL to MySQL pipeline and database connection, building a and proper end-to-end project and creating a engine that it will start from fetching data from Jupyter Notebook to database to Jupyter Notebook, and then we can perform any actionable data insights by by while we can so while we can send the data in Power BI for the creation of dashboard graph and visual representation. And what excites you of coalition? Currently I am a fresher. I need a exposure to grow my career, and my my basic needs are that I am a very big beginner, and I am intermediate in skills, so I need a good position or a good role where I can show my skills, or I can increase my learning in the domain of data analytics or data analysis or Python or SQL skill. So that's why I think I want to choose coalition position. Th- my three reasons why you should hire me: because first reason, I have intermediate level of skills that Python, Panda, Matplotlib, C1. If you give me some project that are basic or advanced, I will definitely perform well, because I know the project. But if something I need, I will take help of YouTube tutorial or an AI or something to complete the task efficiently or timely. Or second reason, as a fresher, I don't have very much experience. I am have much more eager to learn or perform well for the my better future this domain. And third reason, it is a remote where I can work independently at any time as per the my need.